Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can, add friends on Snapchat. So there are three methods through which you can add friends on your Snapchat. So before I teach you that, be sure to like and subscribe and notification turned on to our channel so you guys can get notified for our future video because we post content like this. So be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and it helps our channel to grow as well. So let's start today's video. So to add friends on Snapchat, the first method is you can go on your chat, and from your chat you can add the person through quick add. So over here, as you guys can see, a lot of person's name over here. So if you guys see your friend which you want to add, you can just click on add over here and a friend request is going to be sent to the person, and if the person accepts the friend request, then you guys will be friends. So that's the first method. The other method is to search the person by username. You can click on this icon over here. After you click on this icon, you can type the person's name over here. After typing the person's name over here, so let me type one. So as you guys can see, the person with the name Messi is going to be displayed over here like this, and I can click on add over here, and after clicking on add, a friend request is going to be sent to him, and if he accepts the friend request, he will be added. So that's one method of adding a person. And the other method is click on this icon, and after clicking on this icon, you can click on this icon. So by clicking on this icon, you will be able to scan the snap code. So basically what the snap code is, like this, go to your profile. Let me show you what a snap code is. I click on my Snapchat and I can click on save snap code. After clicking on save snap code, my snap code will be saved. So basically snap code is like a QR code. So to add a person by the snap code, the person needs to send you their snap code, and after the person sends you their snap code, save it in your gallery, and after saving it in your gallery, you click on this button, and after clicking on this button, it's going to show you all the photo of a gallery over here, and you should select the person's snap code, and after selecting the person's snap code, Snapchat will scan it and add the person. So that's basically how you add friends using snap code. So these are all the way through which you can add friends on Snapchat. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video, and comment down below what type of video we should make next, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye and peace out. And if you guys have any question related with this video, feel free to comment down below. We'll answer you guys and help you solve your problem as well.